If you are noticing blurry trails behind moving objects, dark smears during fast motion, or a ghost-like effect while gaming and scrolling, your VA monitor may be experiencing ghosting or black smearing. VA panels are known for their excellent contrast and deep blacks, but they can sometimes struggle with pixel response times, especially in darker scenes. So in today's video, we are going to show you several proven methods to reduce or eliminate monitor ghosting and smearing on VA panels, whether you're gaming, watching videos, or simply using PC for everyday tasks. Before making any changes, identify the type of ghosting. It's important to confirm what you are seeing. So open a browser and visit a motion test website such as blurbuster's UFO tests. Watch moving objects across the screen and look for long trails behind moving objects, dark smears in black or gray areas, duplicate images or shadows, and motion blur during fast movement. Now, if you notice these symptoms, continue with the fixes in this guide. So I need you to adjust the monitor's overdrive setting. The most effective way to reduce ghosting on a VA panel is by adjusting the overdrive or response time settings. So using your monitor's physical buttons, open the monitor's on-screen display menu or OSD, navigate to gaming, picture or response time settings, look for options such as overdrive, response time, trace-free, AMA, or OD. Start with the medium or fast settings and avoid the highest setting if it creates bright halos or inverse ghosting and around moving objects. Now test option while viewing moving content to find the best balance. And of course, you need to enable your monitor's maximum refresh rate. It's important to run the monitor at a lower refresh rate, and it can make ghosting appear more noticeable. On Windows, just right-click the desktop, select Display Settings, and click Advanced Display. Choose your monitor and set the refresh rate to the highest available value. For example, 144Hz, 165, 180, and 240Hz, because higher refresh rates generally improve motion clarity and responsiveness. And of course, do not forget to update the graphics drivers. Remember, outdated GPU drivers can sometimes cause display issues that resemble ghosting. For NVIDIA users, open GEU Force Experience or download the latest driver from the manufacturer. For AMD users, open AMD Software Adrenaline Edition and check for updates. For Intel users, use Intel Driver and Support Assistant, and install available updates and restart your computer afterward. And you want to make sure to check for firmware updates. This is very important and most overlooked at. Some manufacturers release firmware updates that improve pixel response behavior and overdrive tuning. So I want you to visit your monitor manufacturer support page and search for exact model. If a firmware update is available, follow the official instructions carefully. And finally, understand the limits of VA technology. Now, even after optimization, some amount of black smearing is a characteristic of many VA panels. If you've tried all the fixes and still notice severe smearing, particularly in dark scenes, the limitation may be hardware related rather than a defect. If you found this helpful, subscribe to our channel and we will see you again in the next video.